Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a hopper to a chest. Hoppers are incredibly useful blocks in the game, designed to automate the movement of items. Learning to connect them correctly is a fundamental skill for building efficient storage and processing systems. We will cover the simple, yet crucial, steps to ensure your items flow exactly where you want them to go, making your automated setups work seamlessly. The key to connecting a hopper to a chest lies in its placement. First, position your chest where you want your items to be stored. Next, while holding your hopper, crouch or sneak by pressing the appropriate key. Then, right-click on the side of the chest where you want the hopper to attach. You will see the hopper's small spout visually connect to the chest, indicating a successful link. Once connected, understanding how items flow is straightforward. Hoppers automatically pull items from any container placed directly on top of them, such as another chest or furnace. They then push these items, or any items manually placed inside the hopper, into the inventory they are pointing towards. This transfer happens at a consistent rate of 2.5 items every second, or 150 items per minute, ensuring steady movement. To maximize your hopper's efficiency, consider a few advanced tips. You can temporarily stop a hopper from transferring items by powering it with a redstone signal, effectively locking it. For higher volume systems, placing multiple hoppers side by side, all pointing into chests, can significantly increase throughput. Hoppers are the backbone of many automated farms and complex sorting systems, making them indispensable for large-scale operations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.